Question says that she is starting a lawn cutting business. Her startup cost to buy 2 lawn mowers and an edge trimmer is $665. She has figured out that she will use about $1 in gas for each lawn, and if she charges $20 per lawn, what will her break-even point be? So let's start. The break-even point occurs when actually the total cost becomes equal to the total revenue. So if we will let x is equal to number of lawns, the total cost of SU is the sum of $665 and the cost in gas per lawn times the number of lawns. So we can write that P into number of lawns equals to 665 plus $1 of gas into number of lawns. So we can develop the equation P into x equals to 665 plus x, and the revenue is actually the amount she charges times the number of lawns. So revenue will be R into x equals to 20x. So we will equate the equations. Equate equation 1 and 2, right? Px and Rx. So first of all, we have this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So when we will equate, we will have P into x equals to R into x. So 665 plus x equals to 20x, right? On further simplification, we have 665 equals to 19x and then x equals to 35. Now we will solve for P or R. So R into the value of x, that is 35, equals to 20 into value of x, that is 35. So revenue is equal to $700. So the break-even point is 35. First of all, over here, 35, this break point, and then 700, which means that the cost and revenue are equal for 35 lawns at $700.